Okay, Sheriff, just like this. That easy.
Okay, I think I got this.
You have to do it with some gusto, Kelly.
Okay, I think I got this.
Whoa, Sheriff, let's focus on the pattern, okay?
Wow, that is really good. That's awesome. All right, I think I got it. Let me try it again.
Hello, Sheriff. The explorers and I have been working on this. Let me show you how to do it. You got that?
Come on, guys. You don't think I can do this? Do you really think I need more training?
Hold up, Sheriff. We're firefighters. We know bells. Here, let me show you how it's done.
I think the good people of Burleigh and Morton County are going to give generously. I don't think we have to do that thing you just did.
Please stop by the Red Kettles on December 5th at the Dan's, Shields, and Walmart locations in Bismarck and Mandan.
And when you hear the bell, please give generously to the Salvation Army.